Hello students, welcome to online classes of Suraji Group of Institutions. Students, in class 5th mathematics, today we are going to solve exercise number 7b. Okay, so in this exercise we have to read comparison of integers, arranging integers in ascending or descending order, absolute value of an integer. Okay, so first we will see comparison of integers. Before understanding this, as in our last lecture, we have seen what is a number line. So this is number line, and if we are comparing two numbers of the right side of this number line, see, if we compare 7 and 8, so which is great? Which number is great? Simply we know 8 is greater than 7, and this symbol or this symbol, this is greater symbol. If this is used between two numbers, then where its mouth is open, it is the greater number, and it will be smaller number. Okay, and if this symbol is used, then 8 will be greater and 7 will be smaller. So nothing opposite to this. Okay, so we will use this symbol between two numbers. Okay, students. So first comparison of integers. So this is very simple. Using the right side numbers is very simple. But in case of left side numbers, which is opposite numbers or mirror numbers, this case is just come opposite. So if we compare -4 and -2, which number is greater? So here -2 will be greater and -4 will be smaller. Okay, -2 will be greater and -4 will be smaller. In number line, -1 is the greatest negative. -1 is the greatest negative integer. All the negative numbers are smaller than -1. Okay, -1 is the greatest negative integer. So in case of left side number of number line, or we can say mirror numbers or opposite numbers, the case we use here is just become opposite. Okay, so here -4 is smaller and -2 is greater number. If -8 and -1, which number is greater or which number is smaller? Here -1 is greater and -8 is smaller number. As we have discussed, -1 is the greatest negative integer. In case of -1 and -2, which number is greater or which number is smaller? Here -1 is greater and -2 is smaller number. Okay, students. So this is the concept of comparison of integers. Now we will solve the question number A of exercise 7b. Question number A. There are 21 questions. I will solve 4 or 5 questions, and the remaining questions you have to do yourself. As first question is +5 or -10. Which number is greater? It is simply -5 is greater and -10 is smaller. Next, question number 19, or say question number 11, +408, and question number +4 +410. Which number is greater or which number is smaller? Here 410, 408. 410 is greater than 408. Question number 19, -271 and -270. Which number is greater or which number is smaller? As we have already discussed, with the sign of negative, with the negative sign, the number which has smaller numerical value is the greater number. I repeat again. In case of minus numbers, or we can say mirror numbers, the number which has greater numerical value but minus sign is used before it, it will be smaller. Okay, so here minus 271 minus 270, this number will be greater because with minus symbol this has lower numerical value or it has greater numerical value, so it will be smaller. Okay, here case is just become opposite. Okay students, and next we question number 18, 0 and plus 639. So simply plus 639 is greater and 0 is smaller. Okay students, the remaining question you have to do yourself. Second topic we are going to be discussing is arranging integers in ascending or descending order. First, see what is ascending order. Ascending order we can say increasing order. Increasing order, or we can say ascending order. Increasing order means the number right here is in this place, this number will be smaller and this number will be greater than this, and so on. Question, the number will be increasing one by one, so this will be greater number. In this series, the last position number will be greatest and the first position number will be shortest or smallest number. Okay, and in case of descending number, descending numbers, it is also called decreasing numbers. So this is a series of numbers, and in this series we have to find which number is greater or which is smaller, and we have to arrange this series according to decreasing numbers. So if there are so many numbers, then this number will be greater number, the first position will be, this will be greatest number, and the last one will be smallest number. Okay students, so now we are going to solve questions regarding this concept. Let's say question B and part number second. First question you have to solve yourself. The question is minus 12, 0, minus 4, plus 8, plus 10, minus 15, and minus 20. So there are total 7 numbers, and we have to arrange this in ascending order. Okay students, so as we have discussed, in ascending order the number in first position will be smallest and the number in the last position will be greatest. Okay, so find which is the smallest number here. Minus 20 is the smallest number. Okay students, because it is the greatest numerical value, highest numerical value with a negative sign. So minus 20, and which is the second, minus 15, minus 12, and minus 4, then 0, then plus 10, plus 8, then plus 10, plus 8 and plus 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay students, so this is the ascending order series. Okay students, now we are going to solve question number 3. Question number 4 you have to solve yourself. The given series is plus 1, minus 10, minus 6, plus 4, plus 10, minus 20 and minus 23. Okay, we have to arrange these numbers in a series which is ascending order. So total number here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Total 7 numbers. So as we have discussed, the first position will be the position for smallest number. So this is the smallest number. Okay students, so minus 23, then minus 20, then minus 10, then minus 6 and plus 1, plus 4 and plus 10. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay students, so this series will be the ascending order series for the given questions. Okay students, so we have to solve all the questions in this manner. Okay students, now we are going to solve descending order, or we can say decreasing order series. Descending order, or we can say decreasing order. Question number C. Arrange the following integers in descending order. So we will solve question number 2, which is minus 7 plus 2, 0, minus 1, minus 8 plus 3, minus 10 and minus 12, and we have to arrange these numbers in a series which is in descending order. So in descending order we have learned the first number will be the greatest number and the last number will be the smallest number. Okay students, now put the number in this boxes. So what is the greatest number in this series? Here plus 2 is the, plus 3 is the greatest number. Okay, so plus 3, then plus 2, then 0, and then minus 1, minus 7, minus 10 and minus 12. So this is the series which is in a descending order. Okay students, now solve question number 3 of this part. Minus 12, minus 2 plus 5, minus 11, minus 5, 0, plus 2 and minus 18. Okay, we have to arrange these numbers in a descending order. So we know the first position will be the number of greatest value. Okay, so here plus 5 is the greatest value number. Okay, so plus 5, then minus 2, then 0, and then minus 2, then minus 5, minus 2, minus 2, minus 5, minus 11, minus 12 and minus 18, minus 11, minus 12 and minus 18. Okay students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So students, this is the required series which is in descending order. Okay students, the remaining 2 questions you have to done by yourself. So now we are going to understand the concept of absolute value. So what is absolute value? Absolute value means we will not put sign before the number, okay? And if there is written -12, then we have to write only this number, okay? So the absolute value of -12 will be only numerical value, which is 12. We will not put minus or plus before this number. So this number will be called absolute value of this number, okay students? And we will use two parallel lines before this number, okay? This is called mod. This is called mod. If we use mod before, if we use mod in -12, then it will become, it will show its absolute value, and its absolute value will be 12. Okay students, so this is very simple concept. We will solve question number D. One more thing, if there is -12, then its absolute value will be 12, and if there is +12, then its absolute value will be +12. Okay, so by using mod, or we can say by finding absolute value, we mean only with numerical value. Okay. Question number D. Write the absolute value of the given numbers. There is 10 numbers given, so we will solve. As there is -4 is given, so its absolute value will be minus this, and the resultant will be 4 only. Okay, so this is the absolute value of -4. Next question. 0. So we have to find the absolute value of 0. So absolute value will be 0. Okay. Next question is plus 115. So when we find absolute value, we will use mod, and the absolute value will be 115. Okay students, so we will solve all the questions in this manner. And question number E. Question number E is same as of question number D. To find the value of mod +12. So simply mod means absolute value, and the absolute value will be 12. And question number 10, -296, and it is written between mod, so its absolute value will be 296. Okay students, so in the same manner we have to solve all the questions. Okay students, thank you for today's class.